Her journey reflects what Playtime stands for. Tuloy-tuloy lang, enjoy the ride, at i-celebrate ang bawat panalo. Mga kaibigan, get ready to meet our newest Playtime endorser, Miss Heaven Peralejo. And there she is, looking so good. Right with bossing over here. Ayan naman. Kaya naman, Playtime officially welcomes Miss Heaven Peralejo as its newest brand endorser, joining, of course, Bossing Vic Soto. Talagang nakaka-excite naman talaga to be on the stage. Now, speaking of Bossing Vic, to make this welcome even more special, we have a very familiar face that will join us here virtually to join the celebration. Now, let's hear it from Bossing himself, Mr. Vic Soto.
Hi Evan, welcome sa Playtime. Hindi lang kami sabik na mga kasama ka, kundi yung buong Playtime community. Alam nilang paniguradong abot langit ang swerteng dala mo. Kaya welcome ulit. Kaya silaki na ang bahala sa'yo magatid sa bago mong tahanan, okay? Kaya Playtime na.
Salamat, Bossing! Here we go, mga kaibigan. Tawagin na natin si Lucky to bring in our star with a special bouquet to make this moment even sweeter. Let's give a round of applause for Miss Heaven Peralejo. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. It's Lucky